This is a brand new 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include an intercooled turbocharger, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, performance tires, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and a rear spoiler. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Ashley Ford Sales, your New Bedford Ford dealer since 1963 for new and used vehicle sales and service. We are located at 395 Mount Pleasant Street in New Bedford.